Hey everyone, welcome back to Nuts and Twigs. Today we're making vegan Spanish paella that I think even the paella purists will love. Let's start with our saffron and 5 cups of hot broth. Just crush the threads gently, stir them into the broth and set it aside. Now add some olive oil and saute the sliced vegan sausages until they're golden. Once done, we'll set them aside too, but we'll keep that flavorful oil right in the pan for sauteing the onions and garlic. When the onions are translucent, it's time to bring in our vegetable ensemble: bell peppers, zucchini, asparagus, mushrooms, and beans. We'll give them about 5 minutes to soften and mingle. Now we'll throw in a splash of wine, if you're using it, to pick up all those tasty bits from the pan. Now the sausages make their comeback along with our rice and spices, getting everything nicely acquainted. Stir it in really well because it'll be the last stir you get. Alright, in goes our saffron-infused broth. And from here, it's hands off, no stirring, just let it do its thing until the rice is perfectly al dente. Now for the final stage. Artfully arrange the cherry tomatoes, peas, olives, and pimientos. Place a quick cover to let those toppings warm through and crisp up the bottom for that coveted socarrat. And there you have it, a pan full of vegan Spanish paella with flavors and colors ready to impress. This is as close as vegan can get to the delicious Spanish paella. Hope you love it. For the full recipe and more on getting that socarrat, don't forget to visit our website at nutsandtwigs.com. Hit that like button, subscribe for more vegan delights, and until next time, happy cooking!